Hey, skeptics, do you think Jesus was God? Let me know in the comment section. One reason why skeptics say that Jesus was not God is because they say God doesn't pray. And as proof, they cite a statement from the Quran, which says, God has no son, and there is none like unto him. So skeptics say, if Jesus was God, then he would have been praying to himself, and that would be pretty silly. Now here's the thing. As a Christian, I believe that Jesus is God. So of course I think that he did pray to himself, so to speak. But let me show you what the Bible says about this. In Luke chapter 5, verse 16, it says, So he himself often withdrew into the wilderness and prayed. So skeptics will say, okay, well, that verse seems to indicate that Jesus prayed as a man, but that doesn't prove that he's God. Well, let's take a look at another passage in Hebrews chapter 1, verse 8, where it says, But to the Son, the Father says, Your throne, God, is forever and ever. A scepter of righteousness is the scepter of your kingdom. You have loved righteousness and hated lawlessness. Therefore God, your God, has anointed you with the oil of gladness more than your companions. Now notice what it says here. It clearly states that the Father calls him God. So skeptics, if you don't believe that Jesus is God, then who is this passage referring to when it says that the Father calls him God?